In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Midjourney. So first of all, Midjourney is not an app. You can't actually download it, but I'm still going to show you how to get access. So what you want to do is come to their website, midjourney.com. Then on this website, you can see it's a bit weird. You want to come down here to join the beta. Now, once you click this, it's going to prompt you to open up Discord. They're going to invite you to their server. So over here, I've already joined it, so it sent me to their server. But if you haven't got Discord, then you're going to want to create a Discord account on discord.com. Then once you've signed in and linked your account to all of this, then you'll be able to use it. So from here, you can go into one of their newbie rooms and you can use all of the default commands. Now, if you want to access some of the other features for it, where you get more time and it's private, you can do /subscribe. And you can subscribe to Midjourney, which costs about $10 per month, and it's really worth it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.